Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox this cabin filter that I bought online. You already know eBay. Here we go, nothing too big, nothing huge. So this is basically a cabin filter for my 2008 Toyota Avalon, and yes, it works for the 2005 all the way to the 12. I don't know if the new ones are used the same size, and mostly they don't really switch up like that, but make sure you check your make, model, and the year of the vehicle, and you're gonna find it's a good, it's a good buy. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the brand new cabin air filter, and I believe this is the Fram one, and they also have the they also have this technology, not technology, but I like baking soda to disinfect whatever odor come through the vents, because it stops a bunch of pollution. But it was very affordable online. They usually sell them at Walmart as well, like the Fram. It comes in the box, the Fram box itself. I guess it's was a knockoff thing, but the sticker worked. The one that I have in the car is basically K&N. So I'm gonna show you an example. The K&N is more stronger, more sturdier. This one is actually for the air box, the air intake, the intake box. So this is an air filter right here, and it's reusable. I had washed this one. The reason why I bought this knockoff, or this Fram brand, this other brand, the reason why I bought this other brand is because if I take out the cabin air filter and I decide I want to drive anywhere, I could use this one. I could just pop this one in and just leave this in for maybe about, I don't know, maybe about a good 4 or 5 months. And when the one that I'm going to take out of the car, the K&N that I'm going to take out of the car, I could reuse it, just wash it up, use some soap like Dawn and try to power wash it, or get some Dawn soap and just wash it in the sink, remove all the dust, the pollen, the dirt, all of that. So that's why, the reason why I bought this cheap one. I thought it was Fram, I'm not sure. I might leave a picture up in the video or something to show you if it had was a brand name or something. But this one is pretty cheap. I know the one that's in the car, the K&N, is basically more sturdy, more strong. It pulls in and holds more dirt as well. It's about 50, I think it's about 50% more or 25% more dirt it holds in. So you don't inhale that stuff while you drive, while you have the AC on and all that. So that's the reason why I brought this brand. But this is the unboxing. I know this is a really quick video. I didn't really waste no time on it, but this is how it looks. I don't know what brand. I gotta look it up, look up the brand, go online and see the brand. But as for this is the real one that I use, the K&N brand, because it's more sturdy and it's reusable, it's washable. You could never lose, you could never lose. So unless you're not going nowhere, you could basically wash it up, whatever, take it out, wash it off, wash it up, clean it up, and put it in the sun, put it somewhere, or put it towards a fan, and just let it sit there and dry properly. You got to make sure it dries properly before you reinstall it. You don't want to install no wet air filter or cabin filter. You don't want to install nothing wet, so install it while it dries. So that's why this one is out. I have another one in there, but it's not K&N, it's a different brand. It's another cheap brand for the air filter. But so that's why I bought this one, so I could wash and reuse the other one. But in the meantime, I just want to pop this in when I take out the old one, so I could wash it and reuse it. But that's about it. That's all I want to share. If you guys have any questions, you know, you can leave a comment. You can hit that like button. You know, you can share the video. You know, you can share the video out. As I said, I bought my parts. You can shop around. You can go on Walmart, you know, shop for a part. You go on eBay, you go even on Amazon, shop around, shop online and see where the bargain is at, and whatever cheaper, whatever is more reliable, you know, what is more affordable for your vehicle. You got to take care of your vehicle, and your vehicle will take care of you. So you got to do what you can. But guys, please hit that subscribe button. It is free. It is totally free, guys, to subscribe. It's only to basically give you a notification every time I upload a video. It's free, no money, no charge, no nothing. It's basically free, guys. So every time when you click on that subscribe button, it's basically every time when I upload, it's just every time when I upload, it send a notification to your phone to say that I upload a video. But here it is once again. This is the cabin filter, not the air filter. This is the cabin filter. So this one basically just holding all the dirt on all the pollen, you know, all the dirt, the dust, you know, especially people who have allergies or whatsoever. Turn on the AC and the AC blowing, they don't start sneezing or, you know, start getting an itchy nose or whatever from the pollen or whatever, dust, dirt, whatever is going into the nostril, whatever they're inhaling. Make sure the air is clean. So this is very important, and not all vehicles have a cabin filter. Not all vehicles, only some. So that's why I said if you're searching for something like this, this one is very cheap. They have different brands. My favorite brand is the K&N because it's reusable, it's washable, but it's also costly. It's very expensive. I think it's like close to $40 or $50, but it's reusable. That's a good thing about it. So it's lifetime. You could reuse it, keep on washing it, reuse it. I use mine. I keep mine in the car maybe about a year, and then after a year, I take it out and I washed it and I reuse it again. But sometimes you want to have something extra, because in case you say, okay, you want to take it out and you have somewhere to go. You don't want to drive your car without one of these. So I was like, you know what? I have a cheap one. I'm going to pop this cheap one in. And in the meantime, the used one, the washable one, the K&N brand, I go wash it up, clean it up, and just leave it and let it dry and make sure it dries properly. And then I could swap it back out, or just wait until this one completely dirty, and then I could just swap back in the K&N. But it's up to the person, each to its own. You know, people do their things differently. But that's about it. That's all I want to share with you. Yeah. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is a cabin air filter. Take care of your vehicle, or your vehicle, and your vehicle will really take care of you guys. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate the love and the support from all y'all. If you share this video out, it helps. Make sure you hit that like button. I really appreciate it, guys. I can't do it without you guys. I'm trying to get this channel up to at least 100,000 subscribers. You know, we learn new things every single day. So if you guys have any comment, leave a comment in the comment section. If you have any questions, you can ask the question, just let me know. But this was a simple unboxing, and we are here to educate each other. You know, I don't know it all, but I had this car for a while. This is a 2008 Toyota Avalon. I owned a 07 before it got crashed, but now I have an 08 Limited, and it's very nice. It still drives nice and everything. I do my best to take care of my vehicle, and I want you guys to do the same as well, because right now everything is mad expensive. It's expensive to even get a new vehicle, and you know, payments on a new vehicle. That's all I want to share. Peace, bye bye, take care, God bless. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless.